Can I figure out what's wrong with my mind? Now take example of body again. Your body should tell you what kind of ailment it is going on. There are multiple tests which can do, like you can go through MRI, like you take X-rays, blood test, urine samples, so on and so forth. There are multiple ways to figure out what is going on with your body. It could be viral fever, it could be bacterial infection, it could be fungal infection. There are so many things, right? And then based on the tests, we should be able to figure out what is going on with your body. And then there are cures, there are treatments, there are diagnoses. Same way, you can talk to a psychiatrist or a psychological counselors to help figure out what is going on with your mind. Exactly, they would be able to have conversations with you to understand, and then there are tests that they can run to figure out what is going on with your mental health. If you are down with mental health, then it can totally affect your body as well, because body and mind can go hand in hand. So is it possible to figure out? Perfectly yes. You need to approach a mental health counselor to get more information. Or you can attend our Finding Solace in the Sanctuary, a retreat program that could help you figure out what kind of mental health disorders are currently there and how to overcome them. More information, check out the description.